The cross-section feature of Merge Excel can report slices of data from multiple Excel workbooks by simply clicking on some checkboxes. We will start with the two merging structures that we assembled in the Merging Workbooks video. Each structure holds the same 12 input level workbooks, added up differently, with additional workbooks holding data merged from these source workbooks. One structure adds up the files by city and the other by department. Each workbook in our example holds 4 spreadsheets. In adding up our workbooks or slicing across them for reporting, there are no linking formulas used, nor is there a database making the information available to Merge Excel. We simply take the data where it resides in the workbooks. We go into the cross-section screen and click on Add and enter a name for a specification. This will also be the name of the resulting workbook that Merge Excel will create. Then we select one of the 4 spreadsheets found in each workbook. The first 3 windows display all the components of the application. We can see the merging structure, the rows of the spreadsheet, and all the columns of the spreadsheet. The 4th window will show the summary of our selections. By clicking on their checkboxes, we include them in our cross-section. In the structure, we click on the 4 cities and then their total. In the rows, we click on the 2 revenue accounts and then net income. In the columns, we click on January through March. The summary shows our choices. The choices available in this cross-section are simply a function of the structure and the spreadsheet layout and were not set up separately. If anything is changed in the application, these cross-section selections are updated automatically. Clicking on Calculate and then View opens the Excel file to show the cross-section result. The files chosen are down the side, blocked by the selected rows, and then the 3 months go across the top. We click on Properties and then Grouping to show how this selection can be organized differently. We click on Rows by File. We click on Calculate and View again to show the selections are now grouped by the workbooks. Another grouping has the files going across the top of the spreadsheet. Let's change the specification to include another series of files. We unclick the selections and then click on the 3 departments of Seattle and then Seattle total. Now we see just the city of Seattle. It wasn't very difficult. Now let's specify a cross-section from the department structure. We click on Add and add a new specification and call it Department. We select the Operations spreadsheet. The 3 departments are selected and then the total departments. Then we select 3 markets under Automotive in the Operations spreadsheet. 3 periods are clicked. Opening the cross-section, we see the results. The results we view here are in the newly created workbook called Department. If we go back to the original specification and select an additional spreadsheet, the rows and columns of the added spreadsheet are there for us to choose. If we pick from the additional rows and columns, we'll get a workbook with more than one spreadsheet. These additional spreadsheets make use of the workbooks already specified. Merge Excel can slice through a series of input and merged workbooks with unprecedented ease. This works similarly to a pivot table, but across files, not just within a single workbook.